Hi guys, welcome back to Creating with Mimi. And today I'm going to show you how you can make your backyard look like this. Okay guys, today we're going to focus on the spa and fireplace. So I'm not sure if this is part 3 of the backyard makeover, but this is what we're focusing on today. These particular plants that you see here are, I guess they've been sitting out here for about 3 or 4 years, and they're real branches. Very, very real. If you break them, they're very delicate branches. But then I've enhanced them by having some artificial plants around them. And it's taken them 3 years to look this bad. Maybe it's been 4 years. I'm gonna leave the pots white, but I am gonna touch up on the branches and make them white. And then I'm gonna place a different color artificial plant around them to enhance it. And I actually sit them on around the spa because I want it natural or some type of plant there, but I didn't have any water to come to that area to actually feed it. And then for those of you saying, well, you could water it every day. Yeah, but when you're busy and when you have a full-time job, you don't have time to water plants every single day. You just don't. You spend so many hours commuting and you just don't have time to do that. So, and the other problem with having plants around the spa area is the vase would need to be drained, and that water and dirt would run into the spa and then into the pool. So we're going to work with the artificial because it's been working and it does give it an excellent look. So when you see the finished product, you'll understand what it is that I'm saying. But this again is part 5 of the backyard makeover for the season. And yeah, we're gonna get started. I've already placed my boards down, my cardboard boxes down, so that I don't damage the existing concrete. And I'm just gonna spray over here and this area. The lovely white branches have been sprayed and now they're bright white again for the most part. And the pot, I didn't need to respray it this season, and I will start to place the faux green branches inside of the pots just to add a little bit more texture and color to the area. I removed the faux pink and white. I believe I've had those for about 3 or 4 years, and now I'm going to start working with the green. I absolutely love the green foliage there because green is our color this year that we're bringing in. So I'm only enhancing and sprinkling that color throughout the backyard. And the fireplace area here, I will add green around this vase as well. This year, I've decided to up my game a little bit and add lighting to most of the trees and branches that are in this backyard. So what you see here is I'm installing a solar light pick inside of the branches. It's difficult to see, but I've already covered the individual white branches with another solar wire type light. And guys, at nighttime, this backyard comes alive. This was such a small element to add, but it gave such a huge impact in terms of the design, the layout, and the lighting. Don't want to forget about lighting in any type of design, whether it's indoor or outdoor. Lighting is the icing on the cake. So I'm just adding a little bit of lighting in here, and I'm separating the branches. I will include this inside of the description box, and you guys can click on the link and order this lighting. Again, it was a huge impact and super, super inexpensive for the results. All items have been resprayed. I've added some topiary plants, box topiary that I just picked up at the local TJ Maxx and Home Goods store. And I placed those in front of the fire. And since, I'm trying to enjoy the backyard, I did start the fire today just so that I can have some time to sit out and relax a little bit after I set up. This fabric for the green cushions is absolutely lovely. It is a thick fabric. It's not necessarily an outdoor fabric, but I'm okay with that because I switch my fabrics every 2 to 3 years. This green color is the same color that we have in the outdoor living video. So I'll leave the link for that video if you guys want to check that video out. It is spectacular for creating an outdoor living space. I added Velcro this year to the seat cushions because we've had these for some time, but I noticed that after about 2 or 3 hours of sitting there, the seat cushions move around and they start to look a little janky. That's a good word. And so I added the Velcro to stabilize the seat cushions and to make it a little bit more comfortable for individuals that are sitting there by the fireplace. As you can see right now, that fire is just kicking and it's so inviting. All of the pillows have been added on top of the cushions, and so I alternated between colors. You see the green patterned pillow, and then you see the white pillow. It just gives it a little bit more of a dimension so that everything isn't the same color. On the table, I have this lovely faux flower that I custom made, and I have a video showing you guys how to custom make flowers as well. And I set that in a gold I love this gold vase that the flowers are sitting inside of, and then I just added a different color, the blue and the white vases on top of the table. The table is an old fire pit table that I painted out white, and I placed a glass top on that. And I just love the way all of it came together. So I'm using things that I've had for years, and I'm just painting them out with fresh coat of paint and bringing in other elements. The vase and the ginger jars are different heights, and it adds a different dimension and decorating texture. The fireplace in itself up. This fireplace is 20 years old, and it's been several colors. Currently, it's gray with a black trim, and I've just placed a large charger that I actually purchased about 5 years ago, guys, from Pier 1, and I think Pier 1 has closed, but this has been outdoor for 5 years. The charger, the white vase, the mercury ball that you see, all of those elements are old, and if you choose the right elements and just place it outside, it still works. I love this view, and it's just coming from a different angle, and it's giving you guys an opportunity to see more of the vases that are outside with the different pillows. Across from this area, you see another small dining table set up. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, go ahead and click the like button. If you want to see more content for decor, fashion, and lifestyle, subscribe to my channel. And as always, make every day a great day. Until next time.